Okay, so here's a quick room tour of lovely Morning View Guest House. We stayed here for the night. You've got a single bed here, got a dresser, a light, a huge window, another single bed. This was my bed, that's my bag here. Huge light, which you hopefully you can see are the snow-capped mountains. Hold on, there you go. Those are gorgeous. Imagine just laying in this bed right here. Oh, the blankets were super comfortable, warm also, and seeing those mountains. Really can't see them. I'm gonna go outside in just a second. Oh, we had Wi-Fi. This room had the routers, so our Wi-Fi was pretty strong. Behind the door here, you can see our trekking poles, leaned hangers, not hangers, hooks, and what's really an outlet, and just a little place to charge your phone, hold your electronics. On the other side of the room, we had hooks to hang up your clothes, your coats, like my girlfriend. Hi, babes. There's somewhat of a carpet on the floor, so it's not too cold. Most importantly, it's wood structure, so it was not that cold, even though we're high up. Okay, let's really go over. I'm outside the room. I'm walking down the hall. I'm going to check out the squatty potty bathroom. It's a shared bath. There's just the bathroom. Okay, somewhat of a line. Your all bucket, squatty potty, window. That's pretty much it. And let's jump outside really quickly and show you the view. This is the view. Are you kidding me? Almost 180. Well, yeah, we have chairs. It's our little balcony. Our room is right here. And check this out. Oh, that's the patio area. Hang out, the chill spot. Right, and check this out. Alright, I'm gonna run downstairs really quickly. I can show you the rest of the place, like the dining hall and the kitchen. Alright, so here's the kitchen. Namaste. The best cook in the building, I swear. And I was just upstairs, but now I'm downstairs. And this is what you see when you first arrive. This is what you see. And let's go in the dining hall really quickly. I can show you. Oh no. Thank you. Okay, here's the dining hall. It's a wood-burning fireplace. We had dinner in here. It's absolutely warm, comfortable. At least it was for us. Right? Oh, she has, stuff that you can buy. I actually bought a beanie from here. Water, soda, everything you need. Coffee. She has it in. Namaste. That's the kitchen in there. And wood burning fireplace, not yak poop, and it's super comfortable. And don't forget there are outlets downstairs, so you can go ahead and I'm closing the door behind me. You can go ahead and get all of your electronics charged. That is an outhouse. It's another chill spot here. Check out the view. And what's really cute, this is where we are. Hope you can see this. Boom, that's the name. It's really cute. This is a trash bin. But she put, use me, and then it's a trash bin. It's probably, there it is. But check out this view. Yeah, another chill spot here. Some seats here, seats there. We hung out here yesterday, and this is the spot. Got some porters that are heading down. I stopped in to hang out and enjoy coffee. But that's it. Actually, the room was free. Hold on. Okay, so good morning. The room was free because we decided and agreed with the host to eat all of our meals, breakfast, lunch, and dinner here. So the room is pretty much free. We're the only one here yesterday and last night. But don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know what you think about this guest house slash tea house here in the. Oh yeah, welcome to the Lonely Morning View. My tongue. It's really early in the morning. Decided to do this room tour. But okay, laters. I'm gonna jump. We're gonna actually get on the trail. Right, ASAP. All right. Peace. One love. I'm out.